The bungee cord here, that's so that when we lower the roof, the canvas will get sucked inside and won't be hanging outside. This cord here is just from a weed eater. So come on in. Come on. Okay, you maybe stay outside. We gotta leave the door open to get some light in here, I think. I want to show them these supports, how they go up. You see the PVC that we use to raise the roof is just temporary. It's just to hold it while we put these supports up. And then it's kind of like belt and suspenders. We leave them up there when the roof's up. So anyway, these guys go up like this and snap into place there with a little lock. And then to make it strong this way, these boards fit into these brackets like that. Little pin on the top to keep it in there. Crystal, come on in and we'll do the other one. No, good for you. Yeah, good thinking. How about up there too? See the sliding bolt hold it in place there. Yeah, these. Okay, anyway, so we'll do it again on this side. Like that. You gotta lift the roof just a little bit to snap it in. And then you put the supporting doohickey in there. And okay, thanks, Crystal.